Hi, I am Dr. Mejia from Northwood Animal Hospital. This is Brianna. So today we're going to talk about getting your cat in the carrier, lowering stress as it relates to the carrier, and making it easier to take your kitty cat to the vet. So recent studies have shown that cat annual visits are on the decline. Reasons stated are that the cats get very stressed out in the carrier, they get stressed out traveling. People don't think it's important to do yearly care for their kitty cats after the initial vaccination and spaying or neutering. Reasons to take your kitty to the vet after the initial vaccines, even if they're an indoor kitty, is to get a physical exam. We can look at the eyes, check the lymph nodes, listen to the heart, feel the abdomen for any abnormalities. As the cats get older, we need to check their liver and kidney values so we can offset problems like some kidney insufficiency before they become a clinical problem. Cats are desert-dwelling animals originally. They are predators. They do not show any illness until they're extremely sick in most cases. So it's very important that we get our kitties in every year to get a physical exam and booster any vaccines based on their risk factors and style of living. So today we're going to talk about the carrier and how to reduce the cat stress in the carrier. And we have two kitties here. It's our hospital kitty, Flicka, and our other kitty, Pretty Kitty, who both live here at Northwood Animal Hospital. So we're going to be using them for demonstration. So this is a typical carrier here on the table. There's different kinds. There's the zippered fabric kind, which are a little harder to deal with when you're leaving them out in your house all the time. But this is the typical kind you have. So most people bring out the carrier once a year. They say the cat sees it, the cat hides for 2 or 3 days, and they have a problem getting the cat in. So what we would like you to do is introduce the carrier to the cat and make it a normal part of their environment. So you can take your carrier out, put a nice towel inside, something soft, and put it in a location the cat likes to be, out of the way of foot traffic. So you can put it under the coffee table, just somewhere that's out of the way. You can put a light towel over it if you want, because cats like to hide and sleep in dark places. We know that because they get under the cabinet and go to sleep and you can't find them. So you can do that. And what you want to do is make it inviting for the kitty cat. So we have some products. One of these is Feel Away. It's a similar synthetic hormone to the hormone found in the pheromone found in the face of the kitty cat. So when you see your cat rubbing on the furniture and door jambs, they're leaving a pheromone and marking that as their territory. So what we're going to do is you want to spray your carrier inside with the Feel Away. You can spray it around the doorway and on the towels, and that would be your first invitation for your cat to kind of say, hey, what is that? It smells good in there, makes me feel happy and relaxed. So you can start with that and leave it out. So other things you can do is you can put cat treats in here. And we're going to show you with our cats here that love cat treats. We're going to put some in there. We're going to put Flicka up here on the table. And the cat's going to go in there on its own. So we all know cats don't like to be told what to do. So we're going to make it be their decision. So she's going to get up there. She's got her Feel Away in there. She's got her little treats. So you could just practice closing the door and sitting there and leaving her for a few minutes to eat her treats. And then opening the door later and she can come out when she wants. So you can also put her food in there. So if you feed them twice a day or 3 times a day as opposed to leaving their food out, you can. Or you can get some canned food and put it in there twice a day as a special treat. Let the cat go in and eat and come out how she wants. So once you've got that, and if you can do this a week or 2 ahead of time, it's great, because as soon as the cat gets in there for its treats, you close up the door, put your little cover over it, get in the car and come to the vet. So having a cover over it protects the cat from a lot of stimulation, lights, passing shadows of other cars, and that helps the cat stay relaxed before it comes in. And in addition to the pheromone we've sprayed in there, hopefully it will keep the cat's stress level to a minimum. So, what do you do if you haven't had time to do this and you need to bring your kitty cat to the vet? So most people will put their cat in, the cat puts on the brakes, and they end up feeling bad because they have to squash their kitty into the carrier. So we're going to demonstrate a way we kind of do it here. There's many ways, obviously, to put the cat in the carrier, but this is kind of a lower stress way to do it. So Brianna's going to put that on the floor. I'm going to get one of our kitties here. Come here, kitty. And we're going to kind of show you how to put the cat in. So you're going to get the kitty like this. I usually grab her in the front legs. And you're going to put the feet straight in. Kind of hold her. Sometimes they want to pop out, so we're just going to go ahead. And she's worried about where she's going, so she went right in there really nice. And then slowly put her back in normal position. And you have kitty ready to go. We would also recommend before you do that to go ahead and spray some of that pheromone in the cage so that the cat gets in there and is relaxed. And then once you get in there, we can put a couple treats through here if the cat's interested in treats. Cover your cage and then come on up here and see us at Northwood Animal Hospital, because we love kitties and we really need to make sure we keep our preventative care on our cats up to date so that we can identify any problems before they happen. So that's it. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 887-2606 and we can make an appointment or talk to you about any services we have for cats here. We're also having a cat month. We want to get as many kitties in here as possible. And you can call up and ask any of the receptionists to find out what special we're running to help keep your cat healthy.